Hey guys, and welcome to How to Guide. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to sign in Spotify on your Onlyfans account. Now let's begin. On any browser of your choice, simply go to onlyfans.com and hit on enter. Do log in if you already have not. I'm gonna log in with my Google account. Select the respective email. And there you are, we have successfully logged in. Now what I want to do is go to the settings tab. For simplicity, I'm going to click on this profile icon that I will find at the top left. Let's click on it. And now here's the settings tab. Let's go on it again. Initially, we will be on the profile tab. As you can see, there are other tabs named as account, privacy and safety and others. But for now, we only need to focus on this profile tab. Let's scroll down. And in this additional info sub-tab, you will find something like Spotify account. Click on the Spotify account. Now let's again click on this sign in with Spotify. And now a new page will open asking you to agree to allow Spotify to connect to OnlyFans. As you can see, I had already logged in to my Spotify account, so if you have not, do log in right now and click on this agree button. And there you have it. That's how you connect Spotify on your OnlyFans account. Well guys, that's it for the video. Hope you guys found this video informative. And for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Thank you.